what to do if your HIV self-test kit shows positive or reactive. Para sa lahat ng nagtry ng HIV self-test kit, kung nakuha mo ang result reactive or positive, please listen carefully. Self-test is not a final diagnosis. Kailangan pa itong i-confirm ng mga licensed clinic or laboratory. Next step, magpa-confirmatory talaga. Pumunta agad sa legit na facility, hospital, clinic, DOH, accredited. Sila lang ang pwedeng gumawa ng confirmatory test. Kapag na-confirm, free ang HIV treatment sa mga government HIV treatment hubs at iba pang DOH accredited hospitals. Kung ikaw ito, please remember, hindi ito katapusan. With early testing and proper treatment, HIV is manageable. You can live a long, healthy, normal life. Ang importante, huwag mag-delay, huwag pabayaan. Para naman sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng status nila, yung HIV self-test kit ay around 300 plus pesos. Madali siyang gamitin. Nasa previous video ko yung step-by-step guide. Reminder lang, mas maganda pa rin ang clinic testing dahil may counseling at medical support ka. Pero, kaysa hindi ka mag-test at all, mas mabuting alam mo ang status kaysa manatiling at risk, ingatan ang sarili, stay safe. Okay?